Genevieve's question. Genevieve has a great question. Genevieve asks, sorry, I need to read it. What if someone is in a terrible accident in Missouri, has 150,000 in bills? Is this a test, Genevieve? And is there only 25,000 in coverage? What the insurance company offers right away without hiring a lawyer? Might it still be worthwhile to hire a lawyer? Could Burger Law negotiate? Hold on, Could Burger Law negotiate the liens and end up saving the client money? How does that work? Great question, Genevieve. And I swear I did not know that. I did not read that question when I was answering the question before about the difference in lien laws, medical lien laws in Illinois versus Missouri, which is what Genevieve's question gets to. I've had a number of cases where people come to me and say, I have 200 grand in bills, or in Genevieve's example, I have 150 grand in bills. There's only $25,000 in coverage. Yes, you can come to us because we have done this. This is more of a service to the client. Is under Missouri law, we can take the case. We get all of the providers to give us liens to get paid out in the case, or do we do file lawsuit, file a motion to adjudicate the liens, and then the lien holder is forced, the lien holders all together, and lien holders is the same word as bill collectors, is the same word as people who have asserted a lien in the case. They all have to split $8,333, which is a third of $25,000. Basically, the lawyers typically, we get a third. That's our typical contingency fee agreement. The client gets a third, and then the lien holders have to split a third. So you would, in Genevieve's example, you'd be taking $150,000 of bills. You'd pay them $8,000 to cover $150,000 bills. Good deal. And then they can never sue or go after the people again. One of the things that crushes people in America is medical debt. We have sad stories about people doing great, doing fine, or just getting by and stuff, and then they have a catastrophic medical incident and it wrecks them for the rest of their life, or drives them into bankruptcy, or ruins their credit, and it's super stressful. One of the good things that we can do for clients, and we are happy to do it, is use the Missouri lien reduction statute, which is a good and powerful tool to reduce those bills. So after the accident, the people don't have that medical debt following them around for the rest of their lives, or have to go into bankruptcy or something. And we do it, all the time. We're very aggressive on our liens. We have papers. I teach other lawyers how to reduce these liens. Genevieve is great at it too. Genevieve is a great lawyer with our office. And Illinois, it's a little bit different law. It doesn't write off those bills automatically, but whenever we are in Illinois, we, in many cases, a lot of our practice is we negotiate with the lien holders themselves and make sure that they sign agreements so that the client doesn't have that medical debt ever later. So if you do have a high amount of medical bills relating to an injury case, it is good to get a lawyer like someone at our firm, because we can help navigate those bills as well. When you walk away, when we're done with a case at Burger Law, we want you to be done. We don't want you to call us back 6 months later and say, hey, I got a bill in the mail. So one of the things we do is we call you up and say, listen, we're about to pay out this money, do this, that, and the other thing. Hey, have you have any other bills? You have any other things? Yeah, I've been getting this ambulance bill. I forgot to send it to you guys. And we're like, all right, cool, man, give it to us now, and we'll handle it. And we'll put it in the calculus, and we'll make sure they get paid so you don't have any debt later go following you.